Hello students, in this exercise we're going to write the equation of the line with slope 2 and passing through, or you might say containing, the point 6, 5. Now I've graphed this line. We know that it contains the point 6, 5, and if the slope is 2, then we can think of that slope as a 2 over 1, where from the point 6, 5 we can rise 2 and run 1. So from 5, rising 2 and running 1 is going to tell us that another point on that line is 7, 7. So you can use that method to quickly find 2 points and graph the line if you want to start with a picture. Now in this case I'm going to use the point slope formula because we know the slope to be 2 and we were given the point 6, 5. And so that value of 6 will represent x sub 1, and that value of 5 will represent y sub 1 in our point slope formula. Let's go ahead and substitute values. Y minus 5 is equal to the slope 2 times x minus 6. So at this step we've got the equation of our line. I'm going to go ahead and write this equation in slope-intercept form, and then we'll look at its equivalent standard form. So to write it in slope-intercept form, we will solve for y. So I'm going to start by distributing the 2 to write that y minus 5 is equal to 2x minus 12. And then let's add 5 to each side. Negative 12 plus 5 is a negative 7. So again, here we've got the slope-intercept form. And the reason this is called slope-intercept form is because from it we can easily read that the slope is 2 and the y value of the y-intercept is negative 7. And that suggests that, if we were going to extend this line down and see where it actually intercepts the y-axis, that would be at the point x equals 0 and y equal negative 7. Now to convert this form of our answer to standard form, we would do the following. We would put our x and y terms on the same side. So I'm going to subtract 2x from each side and write this as negative 2x plus y is equal to negative 7. But also standard form is written such that your x term, it has a positive coefficient instead of a negative 1 in this case. So if you multiply through by a negative 1, that's just going to change the sign of each term, so that we can write this as 2x minus y is equal to positive 7. And this we call standard form. So if you're asked to write the answer in standard form, you would give 2x minus y equals 7. If you're asked to write the answer in slope-intercept form, you would write y equal 2x minus 7. There you go. Good luck on those.